Hello guys, welcome to Cafe at Simplify, and guess what? We are diving into our accounting, introduction to accounting, and we know that our standard paper is 4 numbers to be done in 3 hours, and section A has 10 objectives. Each one carries 2 marks. Those are many. Yeah, and so here we have some few questions. I we have here, we're going to go through them. They are just 15, and then some more 5 down, and afterwards we'll start to go into section B numbers. And yeah, remember to click the bell, share and subscribe. First one says, according to the money measurement, current transaction current transactions and events are recorded in the books of. According to the money measurement, current transactions and events are recorded in the books of A, the ruling currency of the country in which transactions take place; B, the ruling currency of the country in which books of accounts are prepared; C, in the currency set by the Ministry of Finance; D, in the currency set by the government. These numbers, you can use elimination or having read method. Having read method is when you know the stuff. Elimination is when you think this one really doesn't match. You eliminate until you think you reach the final answer. But we see here our answer is B, the ruling currency of the country in which books of accounts are prepared, is where money measurement, currency, transactions, and events are recorded. So the determination of expenses for accounting period is based on determination of expenses for accounting period is based on C. 2 is C, the matching concept. What does the matching concept say? It is used while determining the operating results of the organizations for a particular accounting period. This concept aims to match revenue and in the accounting period with the expenditure. The determination of expenses for an accounting period is matching. We've said aims to match the revenue and in accounting period with the expenditure incurred in earning that revenue. Number 3, decrease in the amount of creditors results in. Who are creditors? Creditors can be a person or an entity to whom money is owed. What does that mean? They are demanding us. So, decrease in that amount they are demanding us results into what? A, increase in cash when they are demanding us. B, decrease in cash. Okay. C, increase in assets. D, no change in assets. And we see that our answer is B, decrease in cash, because we have paid some. That means decrease in amount of creditors. So it decreases cash. Ram purchased a Katenra, that is the symbol for the Indian rupees money. Yeah, pronounce it as Ra. Paid 3 Ra, 3,000 Ra, paid 3,000 Ra as cash, and balance amount will be paid in 3 equal installments due to this. So you see that somebody buys a car 10,000, you pay 3,000 cash, and the rest will be paid in 3 equal installments. So due to total assets, due to this, what will happen? Total assets increase by 10,000. Okay, that one is also true. We have bought a car 10,000, but we have paid 3,000. Okay, we'll see. Total liabilities increase by 3,000. Isn't that one is false? Assets will increase by 7,000. Okay, with the corresponding liability of 7,000. Both B, which is wrong, and C. Okay, so we see that when we purchase a car at this amount, at 10,000, yeah, and we pay 3,000 cash, that means now 3,000 has been cleared from this. So like our total value of the asset is assets are increasing by 7,000, but we are still being demanded a liability of 7,000. So our answer here is C, assets increase by 7,000 and the liability increases by 7,000 rand. Accounting does not record non-financial transactions because of, we should know that one, accounting does not record non-financial transactions because of 5. 5 is money measurement concept. That's what does the money measurement concept state? Money measurement concept or monetary unit or money measurement. All says that all accounts transactions are recorded in monetary terms or in terms of money value. Yeah, monetary value. So provision for bad debt. Provision for bad debt is made as per which concept tells us to provide for bad debts. We see that one we should know it is called conservatism concept. Another word for conservatism concept is prudence concept. Each objective carries how many marks? 2. Yeah, and that's the prudence or conservatism concept states that the anticipate no profit but provide for all possible losses. Yeah, fixed assets and current assets are categorized as per which concept? Fixed assets and current assets are categorized, that we should know. It is B, going concern. What does the going concern say? It says that the entity will continue in existence indefinitely. What does that mean? It provides a basis showing the value of assets in the balance sheet. Provides a basis showing the value of assets in the balance sheet. Number 8, omission of praise and showing round figures in the financial statements is based on omission of praise. It's like when they're crediting you, oh, boss, you are good, you are this. Yeah, it is under which concept? Omission of praise. We see that number 8, we should know it. The answer is material concept. Don't we have finished it? Only monetary value is recorded. Yeah. To omit concept, to omit praise, you refuse that to put it anywhere. So income tax of the sole trader paid is shown where? Income tax of the sole trader paid is shown debit profit and loss account, debit to trading account, debited to his capital account. You remember in the equation for assets equals liability plus owner's equity. And that one is for capital. Yeah. Now when we pay our capital, when we pay our owner's equity is reducing. So here is debited to capital account. Income tax of the sole trader paid is shown in the debited to his capital account. Here we have paid, so we have lost, and so we debit the capital account. Payment for salary is recorded. Here we see that salary account will be increasing while cash will be decreasing, and decrease. We see that payment for salary account, when it decreases, we debit it, cash account, we credit it. So our answer will be A. Yeah. So 11, purchase of furniture for cash wood. When we purchase furniture is asset, it increases the fixed assets, while cash is what? Cash is cash is a current asset. Therefore, it reduces it. And we see that when we read through, the answer will be A, increase in fixed assets and reduce current assets. Narrations are given at the end of what? Every time you finish, you narrate, this is due to this. So we see that narrations are given at the end of A, financial accounts, B, trial balance ledger, C, each ledger account, D, each journal entry, we see that the answer is on top of the answer is B. Each journal entry. After every entry, you narrate what has taken place. Yeah, though most times in the classes we don't narrate, but some business require that you narrate after every journal entry. Yeah, for clarity. Which of the following is an example of a personal account? What are personal accounts? First of all, yeah, personal accounts relate to suppliers, customers, and creditors. Those are personal accounts. Yeah, of who is being owed and who owes. So these are suppliers, a supplier or a customer or creditors. And see, so from here, machine, rent, cash, the answer is D, personal accounts. Yeah, where somebody is being owed or owes. And those are either suppliers, customers, or creditors only. 14, account profit and loss account is prepared for the period of 1 year by which concept? We see that this one is by the concept of periodicity or accounting period concept. We should know point here. Liability means current. Liabilities means liabilities payable within 12 months. Liabilities which are payable immediately, no. Liabilities payable after one accounting year, payable after one accounting year, no. Liabilities which are deemed readable within 3 months. We see that the answer is A. And guys, that is what we have been doing all. Yeah, just five more, five more, five more. These ones we are just gonna go through them sharp sharp. Bookkeeping records only financial transactions. It is generally assumed that businesses will not liquidate the nearby future. With which concept? The going concern concept, which says that the business will continue indefinitely. Capital contributed by the proprietor is treated as a liability according to business entity concept. Why? Because this concept assumes that the proprietor is separate from the business entity. That means when he puts his capital there, he owes he's that he's being owed by the company. So GAAP means generally accepted accounting principles. Window dressing of accounting means what? We see that this means showing profits to attract investments. Yeah, before they carry out their investments, you have to do window dressing. The accounting standards are mandatory for companies. In journal, transactions are recorded on chronological order. And then lastly, amount of debt which is not recovered or realized is called a bad debt. Yeah, for now, bye bye guys. Remember to subscribe, click the bell, and share the videos. Meet again.